So this is a review for the VacLife Cordless vacuum cleaner. This is supposed to work not just for the cars, but also any kind of surfaces around the home. So far, it looks really sturdy and very lightweight. And I picked this space over here because it is uneven, so it's not a flat space. There's this downside to it, and then there is all this dust over there. So let's get it started. It has a really strong suction. As you can see, it picks up really well. Very reasonable noise. Wow, this is great. It's picking up really good. The fact that it is a cordless vacuum, I'm very impressed by how much this can pick up. And it also has a little light, so you can see it in the dark. And then it also comes with this detachable additions on the top, like this one. It has a little brush, so I can reach areas where I can brush and clean at the same time. So the brush will get the dirt out, and then I can clean very easily. Very good suction, very lightweight, reasonable noise. Yeah, and I highly recommend this product. Thank you.